Toastmasters, welcome guests, and the Santa Claus, and the table topic master in particular. See, it feels really great to be young, isn't it? Look at the speakers they spoke. The first two guys who are little young, they spoke about two-wheelers, and then he spoke about food, and he is in the process of becoming hefty. And other gentleman who is really young, he spoke about being stuck in a lift, that too with a beautiful woman. All this, do you think it's a mixed bundle of gossip, isn't it? Can you relate it with the gossip? Yes? Yes or no?
Yes.
What is that you can infer from this gossip? Vijay, you wanted to say something?
No, I want law inference.
See, many a times what happens, all this gossip literally spreads like wildfire. See, for example, a week back, I was there in the MG Road with a girl. Okay, so this is what, suddenly, a couple of days back, Toastmaster Prakash Francis called up and he asked me, hey, Vaid, I got to know that you were roaming around in MG Road with a girl. I said, who said this? And he said, Vijay Anand. So I called him Vijay Anand. Vijay, why this? Why me? Why not someone else? Why not Ratin? He said, you are the most eligible bachelor. So I don't have any other person whom I can. I said, okay, fine. So I thought, it is only between Vijay, Ratan, and then Prakash. And then table talk. See, she called me yesterday and she asked me, well, what's happening? I got to hear that, you were roaming around with the girl there. Yeah, that's true, but who said this? Then she said that it's Rajdeep. And then I checked up with Rajdeep today when he entered the
I told her she was from the same club also.
When Rajdeep entered the club, then I asked him, Rajdeep, who said that? He said that Pradeep. Gossip, whether it's true or right or wrong, it just spreads like wildfire.
Absolutely.
Without having any substance in it. So,
Pradeep also knows that.
why this topic to me? You have given